Technology and software is changing constantly. Every year, there's hundreds and thousands of updates to Teams and SharePoint and Power Platform. And in December, we're going to be able to do a roll-up of the entire year of all the great enhancements and improvements we've done in 2021 and highlight what matters most for folks that are listening and learning. And these types of opportunities are how you can go get better with using this technology and start to go improve productivity for your coworkers in your company, but also go reimagine and find new career opportunities and new places to really go bring technology to get better jobs and better prospects. So super exciting combo from that perspective. And that's one of the most exciting things for us at Microsoft, helping other people do more exciting things with technology.
I'm George Howell with Charles Lamanna. And Charles, what are you looking forward to in this December conference?
One of the things I'm most looking forward to is sharing our vision and our excitement around bringing together the Power Platform with the rest of Office 365. We have a bunch of great new announcements around embedding Power Apps inside of Teams, and even exposing data from Dataverse and Power Platform connectors inside of Office 365. We think it's a new way of working, and these new types of collaborative apps, which is what we're calling it, are going to completely transform a typical company and how most lines of business work.
Charles, people see you here. They want to know what's the latest, what's new with Power Platform. Tell us what's on your radar.
Top of mind for me is this new idea where we talk about AI-powered development. So it's about helping our customers go from low code to no code by using AI-assisted technology. So an example could be, instead of having to write complex SQL statements to query a database, you can use natural language and have it generated to use Power Effects automatically inside of Power Apps. And this AI-powered development is making coding and software development more accessible to more people, because you don't have to know how to drop into the syntax and write a whole bunch of code to get the job done. So that is probably one of the biggest game changers we're seeing in the Power Platform right now to get more people making and building.
Now, this is the first in-person conference that you'll be going to in a long time, right?
That's right. The first one since actually probably all the way back to 2019. Certainly the first one since the COVID-19 pandemic started in 2020. One of my favorite things about the in-person conferences is getting a chance to meet the amazing community. There's some familiar old faces and some new faces. And what makes our software work is the community and the users out there. So it's always amazing to have kind of up close, maybe not up super close, but be in person and talk with people about how they use Power Platform and Teams and SharePoint. That's some of the most exciting things that we do at Microsoft. I think what's one of the most amazing things about software is it's all about information. And since it's constantly changing, you can really get started at any point and ultimately become an expert. Like personally, I'm not one of those folks that have written code for 25, 30 years. I didn't start when I was young. I started actually late in college. After a few other failed majors, I switched over to computer science and kind of jumped into the software industry after graduation. So what's amazing is that we can talk about using these new tools like Teams and SharePoint and Power Apps and Power Automate together, that you can really reimagine what's possible at work and reimagine what's possible for your career. And that definitely is what gets me the most excited each and every day, and is what makes me get excited about the tools that we build for the low-code space.